How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and on today's video I'm updating you on the progress of the truck build. I got some parts in now, so I'm going to show you all that. Not all of it's in yet though, but unfortunately due to Monday, video's got to come out. I'm going to go over all the parts I've got right now. I got one more thing coming in, and it's the leveling keys for my truck. They're from Rough Country. You can look them up online. But for right now, the parts I got in for right now, we'll start off with this one. This is a steering stabilizer for my truck and the 99 and up truck. Basically, on these trucks, it's even recommended stock. The steering stabilizer helps balance out your truck, especially when you're in like a bumpy off-road setting to where your steering doesn't flex as much and doesn't go in different directions when you don't want it to, pretty much. Especially when you level certain trucks, and even if you lift them especially, you want that steering stabilizer to help you stabilize those bigger wheels and tires, because I'm going 20 by 12. And or if you off-road with it, it helps you if you go over a bump or hit a rock you're not expecting. Truck doesn't jar to the left or jar to the right, pretty much. Comes with everything you see in the ready to go. You got the shock, the brackets, another bracket, all the hardware. I mean, it's a beefy design. That thing is no joke. So that's for, of course, comes with a decal. Cute little decal. Basically, you have to drop the skid plate, put it up underneath there. I am not doing any of the leveling kit on my truck myself. I'm going to have a shop do it. I could do it myself, and I would make you all a video, but the issue I'm going to have is I want a shop to do it. That way I have a receipt saying professional put it in, and they have to back it up and have, the warranty and all that stuff. And they'll align the truck and whatnot. The second thing I got in today, or not today, but second thing I got in is my shocks. I went with the, let's see here, shoot, okay. I went with the ES3000 cellular gas charge shocks from ProCompUSA.com for a 0 to 2 inch level truck. The ES3000 cellular gas charge shock is a twin tubular cellular gas design for the ES3000 is engineered to substantially improve driving comfort and performance both on and off-road. With 10-stage velocity-sensitive valving, the ES3000 self-adjusting to various road conditions while improving your vehicle's handling characteristics. The large 5x8 5/8 basically chrome-hardened piston rod and unique Teflon rebound stop delivers a comfortable highway ride and the ability to handle the most demanding driving conditions. With the double-welded shock mounts for maximum strength, the ES3000 shocks will ensure an ultimate performance as long as you own your vehicle. I was going to go with Fox shocks, but they were just way too pricey for right now. I might upgrade in the future. But these Pro Comps, I pulled them out of the box before. They're very, very beefy. They're a very, very beefy shock. I mean, I don't think I'm going to have any problems with this. They're not like a self-leveling shock, but they'll adjust to your ride conditions. If it's really bumpy, we'll stiffen them up and stuff like that. That's what I'm guessing is how these things are going to work. I got on all four corners, I got new shocks. I need new shocks for the truck anyway. I don't know how old the shocks on the truck are. So that's what, I got for that. I got, 2 in the back and 2 in the front with all the hardware. But anyways, so a lot of people have been asking me where I'm getting my wheels and tires from. If y'all know who Trip Harper is, he has a built lifted Tacoma. Instagram name will be down here. Him, his cousin Colt I don't know how the whole owning and operating system, who owns and operates it, but they're giving me a one heck of a deal on wheels and tires from my truck. Colt contacted me. If you don't already follow Colt, he's got a bad 4Runner build he's doing right now. Me and him been talking about it, going back and forth. But yeah, they're the ones that are giving me the wheels and tires for my truck. Amazing people to work with, guys. I mean, what I really love about this automotive tire shop is they don't just do tires, they do shocks and lift kits and stuff like that they'll install, but they understand us. Because like when you go to these other tire shops around here, especially that have older people, they don't understand the whole like new wheel scene and stuff like that, and nor do they, I mean, I'm not saying every shop does this, but nor do they take care of the wheels when you get them in. I've seen so many people buy like American forged and specialty forged wheels, go to a tire shop to have them mounted, and they're scratched and dented to heck. And I do not want that. These guys are like my age, if not a little bit older. They understand the scene. Heck, Tripp has a giant Instagram page on his Tacoma, and he has that red single cab Ram, had a bunch of other builds. They know what they're doing, and they know how to treat their clients, and they have fantastic deals. They'll ship your wheels to you if you can't drive down. They're located south of Atlanta, Georgia, so that's where I'm going to be heading in the next few weeks to get the wheels and tires for my truck. Make sure you follow my Instagram, Trucks and Water. Of course, always down in the description for updates and what's going on with that. I'll be updating you all that weekend on the progress of the truck. I won't reveal the wheels until, of course, either Monday or Wednesday's video that week. But, you know, keep up to date on that, guys. So if you have any questions about the parts I'm using and stuff like that, feel free to comment down below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.